I hope you had a Merry Christmas. Welcome to this week's edition of TBC Kids Club. As always, I'm your host, Crafty Aggie. TBC Kids Club is a children's club that seeks to promote learning through art, crafts, and do-it-yourself activities. If you are a parent, register on the links below and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin, shall we? In this activity, I'll be showing you how to make a New Year's noisemaker so that we can welcome the new year in style. Woohoo! You will need the following materials: a tissue roll inning, clear tape and black insulating tape, a piece of paper, beads, and a pair of scissors. All these materials, except for the beads and the tissue roll inning, can be found at Textbook Center. Step 1. Seal one hole of the tissue roll inning with black tape. So here is our black insulating tape. What we are going to do is close up this hole. So we'll just crisscross the tape until you completely seal this hole. I'm just using a pair of scissors to chop off the tape like that. Then we go ahead. So this one is spoiled, that's why I'm cutting it out. Do this. It's just crisscrossing until we completely seal off this hole. Then making a pattern. Left with a few spaces remaining. We'll just begin on closing every gap. Few more remaining. Last bit here. And we are done with sealing this hole, so you can see. So don't worry about the length or the sides of the tape, it will all be covered by paper. Step 2. Fill the tissue roll inning with some beads and then cover the other hole just as you did the first one. Okay, so let's start filling the beads. You can pick them bit by bit, or you can just take this lid and pour them into the tissue roll inning, but we're much safer doing it just bit by bit. If you don't have beads, you can also use beans, the normal beans that we eat, those ones. Or even small bits and pieces, buttons, coins, just about anything that can give out a sound when you shake like this. So we don't want so many bits inside, but these ones are few, so all of them are going to go inside the tissue roll inning. Okay, then as we said, we are going to seal off this hole. Take up your tape and we repeat the same process that we had just done in the earlier step. So it's just crisscrossing around this hole with our tape. And we are done sealing both sides of the tissue roll inning. There. Wrap the tissue roll inning with paper as follows. So here's our piece of paper. We'll just fold it in half because we won't need this entire sheet. Then I'll just cut along the middle line that I've just creased using my pair of scissors. So doing that, put the other sheet aside, and then we want to wrap our paper like this, our tissue roll inning with the paper like this. So first, I'll tape down with my clear tape right at the beginning so that we have an easy time rolling like this. You can even do another layer of tape like this, and then you just want to roll it up very tightly. Sorry, so let's go over it again. So now that's where we will tape the papers. So I'm looking for the beginning of the tape without letting go of the paper. So what we want to do now is trim off all this excess paper like this. Just go around your tissue roll inning. We are done. You can even do some decorations around your tissue roll inning. You can write 2021, Happy New Year, and join flowers. This is the shaker, fully covered, looking very pretty and nice, ready to usher in the new year with a bang. Don't forget to send in photos of your work using the hashtag TBC Kids Club to stand a chance of winning fun gift hampers from Textbook Center. Now, in the next activity, I'll be showing you how to make cool paper sunglasses. You will need the following materials: 2 pieces of paper, a drinking straw, a circular template, a marker pen, a pair of scissors, glitter, and finally glue stick. All these materials, except for the straw and the circular template, can be found at Textbook Center. Step 1. Follow me as we make the paper sunglasses. So we will begin by folding this point to this other end, like this. Then crease it down. So you will have something that looks like this. And then fold your paper in half. So make sure the edges are touching each other, like that. And then now it's safe to crease down. So what we want to do now is to open completely the sheet of paper. And now what we want to do is to fold it diagonally like this. this line. Remember that we're folding along this line, so do not be confused. So now we have this. Now we want to fold this edge up towards here where these two triangles start. So here, like that, then crease it down. Again, we'll fold it in half. We want to make a thin strip. By now it will be very hard, so you will need to press harder. Then, this is the last fold that we're going to make. Again, press down with all your might. I'm sure it's hard. So you'll have something that looks like this. Then, in these triangles, we want to make smaller folds. So let me do the first one. And then you see, smaller triangle inside the big triangle. Do the same for both sides, like that. And then we want to fold in here where this triangle ends. This is where I'll fold in like that. Do the same for this other side. And our sunglasses are almost done. We only need to stick straws inside here so that at least they can fit in our eyes when we wear them. So this is it. Now let's add the straws. So just divide it in half, the one straw that you have. And with a little bit of glue, we're just going to rub it around the straw like that. And you want it to fit inside this pocket here. So just open it a bit and slide the straw in. Nice. Then we do the same for the other side. It's gluing and then you insert it here. So just open this pocket that's formed and just slide your straw like that. So this is how it will look. Our sunglasses are done. Step 2, let's decorate the sunglasses. Now, you all know that we're stepping into a new year, which is 2021. So we are going to do some decorating with those same numbers. The first step is to draw 2 circles using the circular template. So that's one. Another one here. Then we cut them out using a pair of scissors. So just chop off the entire half of it first before I go to the 2 circles. Then we just cut around the black marking. Just follow the line. Almost done now. And we are done. So we have 2 circles. We'll just turn them to the other side, and with your marker pen we'll write 20 on this circle and 21 on this other circle. So 20 and 21. So we'll just do the one like that. And then for the decorating bit now with our glitter. So I'll just use this glue stick to mark. Just make an outline around the number 2 that we just made. And then we sprinkle glitter on top. So the glitter should stick on the area where there's glue. So it's as simple as that. So you just sprinkle your glitter. All the excess will just return it back to the tin. So we push it aside. Then we do this 21. Then with the glitter, sprinkle it on top of the numbers. It will only stick to the part that has glue. So just fill this circle with as much glitter as possible. We'll just remove the excess once it's dried. Here are our glittered numbers. You can see that the glitter only stuck onto the parts that had glue on them. So now what you want to do is stick these 2 circles onto the sunglasses. So take your glue stick and then we'll just bob glue at the bottom of the 2 circles like this, the bottom quarter. And then just pick your circle and your sunglasses, position them like that, and we'll have 20 go there and 2021 on the other lens. So we have the numbers showing like that. Let me see. Looks nice. Happy 2021! Thank you so much for watching. Don't miss out on a chance of winning fun gift hampers from Textbook Center. Simply upload your photos using the hashtag TBC Kids Club. Remember to subscribe to this channel or click the links below for more details. Happy New Year! Bye!